Hello, so we're going to do a tutorial on how to create a cloudy or smoky special effect for stop motion animation. We have our cell phone, our smartphone, our tape, some coloring utensils, and we have cotton balls, okay? We also have this sheet of white paper. So the first thing you want to do is draw a picture of something that you want to get animated. I'm going to draw kind of like a campfire because when there are flames at a campfire, there's also a little bit of smoke. So I'm going to try my best to draw some flames right here. Some people can also draw like a race car, and you can have the smoke coming out the tires, or maybe some people can draw like a magician doing like a smoky cloud effect. You can even draw a picture of maybe a thunderstorm where it gets all foggy and cloudy. So I'm just going to draw some flames. Alright, so I have my little person roasting some marshmallows over some flames. I'm going to make this my background, so I'm going to take some tape and then I'm going to safely tape it up. Alright, I'm going to tape it right here so I can get my background set up. And I'm going to go ahead and get my camera stand ready and open up StikBot on my phone. Okay, so now I have my StikBot app open. I'm going to click Create Movie. And then the camera will show up. I'm going to position it to where I can see the flames and the person. Alright, that's looking good. Okay, so notice right here, I have 0 out of 12 frames taken. Alright, so now I'm going to take my cotton ball and I'm going to get it ready. I'm going to slowly just tear it apart and kind of try to make it look a little bit thinner, because I'm trying to make a smoky effect over my campfire. Just like that, okay? Alright, so for the first frame, I'm going to take it without the cotton ball. So I'm going to take my first frame. Nice. Okay, and as you can see, I do have my ghost image on. So I'll set that back where as close as possible. There you go. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of my cotton ball and I'm going to place it right here in front of my flame to start giving it that smoky effect. Okay, so let's take a look at how it looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and take that picture. Alright, get a little bit more cotton. I'm going to place it over here. Take another frame. Nice. Now I'm going to keep doing this and I'm going to keep adding on to the flames and make the cotton a little bit thicker so it looks a little bit more smoky. And I'm going to do that until frame number 7. Okay, so I'm going to try to get the smoke get a little bit higher on top of the flames, and in order to do that, I can get some tape. And I can roll the tape up, put a little bit of the cotton ball on there, and then get the smoke to come a little bit higher so it looks a little bit more realistic. There we go. And I'm going to take that frame. Alright. So now you can see here that I have taken 7 out of my 12 frames, and I want to go ahead and kind of make the smokiness disappear because smoke doesn't just stay in one spot. It eventually starts to fade away. So that's what I'm going to do now, is I'm going to slowly take away the cotton a little bit at a time to give it that smoky effect where it starts to fade away. So I'm going to slowly just remove some of the cotton. Give it that animated feel. Okay, I'll take this out. Right, and take a little bit more of the cotton out. Alright, and as you can see, I'm 12 out of 12 frames. Alright, so now I'm done making my stop motion animation with the cloudy effect of my fire. And I'm going to click that button and I want to watch it. So let's see how we did. I'm going to click play. Ooh, that was pretty cool. Alright, and then click this plus button and I want to see it in slow motion. So I'll click this timer right here. Right now it's at 12 frames per second. I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. Let's bring it to 6 and see how that looks in slow motion. Ooh, that was pretty nice, right? One more time. Alright, and so that's how you do the cloudy smoky effect using the StikBot app and just some cotton balls.